Alright, so I started working on this game, and basically, I haven't really posted much other than in my Discord server, so I already have all this progress done, and I haven't just been extremely fluent with posting updated videos and stuff like that. So basically, my game is gonna be about, I guess you could say, like Adopt Me and Animal Jam combined together, and kind of like Pokemon, where you can capture the animals um, that you see, and then they can just be your pet, and then you can just like, I guess, do like little mini games with them and everything. So kind of like Adopt Me, but everything is more voxelated, so that's why it's called Voximals. So yeah, um, here I was trying to make a pets uh, shop icon, or well, not a shop icon, but like kind of an inventory where you can view your collected pets and stuff like that. Um, so as you can see right here, I am making the actual frame itself um, for the backpack type icon thing, and scripting it was interesting. As you can see right here, I'm scripting the button, and I'm kind of proud of myself because I really did most of this by myself. As you can see, I'm just typing it up. I'm not looking at any kind of source. It's just kind of, I guess, freestyling from what I've picked up over my small, short, brief period of actually scripting. So I don't know just a lot of scripting. Um, but basically just very simple stuff. But I'm going to try and expand my knowledge to script a full game by myself. I already do all the modeling, the animation, and all that. So this will be a very frustrating process. So hopefully, by me posting these devlogs, I can gain an audience to help support and just motivate me to keep on trying, because this is a game that I'd really like to come up with and everything. So as you can see here, I'm struggling with the functions. Later on, I do have to search this up. I will probably like fast forward this, and then just to show you guys that I did have to use a little bit of researching to figure this out. And then later on, I had to use a little bit of AI as well, because I was just absolutely confused in what to do. I was pretty close. I was on the right path, but it was just a little confusing. Um, but I learned a few new things on the way, which is really great because, again, this is just a whole process of trial and error. And I mean, dang, I've really just now started this project, and it's been demotivating. So just for all this to work and come together has been really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start fast forwarding this like at 10x speed, and then just narrate whenever something important comes up. Okay, so actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and just 10x speed the entire rest of this and just narrate through it all. Right here, I looked online I just searched up like the connect function and online, and just to see how it worked. And as you can see here, I'm just going back and forth and looking at how it works and what it's supposed to do. And when I play, I mean, that was a little too fast, but I clicked on the button to open the actual backpack thing, and it worked. Except it didn't open the backpack frame itself. It just closed the pets frame, which is what I was wanting. Um, so as you can see, I'm just doing a bunch of like just confused, going back and forth, um, just trying to get one to close and the other to open, and it was kind of funny. I spent like maybe 22 minutes. This is why it's on 10x speed. And then I was looking for some kind of beta feature that I heard about, and then it didn't work. So I went to ChatGPT and started looking up um, why everything wasn't working. And then I realized that I'm trying to access the local player and what they see instead of like the frame. I don't know. I can't really explain this. I'm not good at explaining things, but I learned that I was accessing the local frame instead, or for what the player sees and not what everybody else sees. I don't know. Anyway, so I got it to work, and it made sense to me. I can't explain it, but it makes sense to me if that if that makes sense. Um, but yeah, so eventually got that done and it was working, and then I just started on making the closing frame, and yeah, it worked. I was able to open my pet's frame and close it, and yeah. So that's basically it for this video. I'll show uh, a quick, slowed down version of how everything is supposed to function. So I guess this is officially my first devlog. So thank you all for joining in, and stick around for the process because who knows, maybe I will release this